Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Saturday 15 March 2025. 14 March 2025 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number member only prediction boom. 3 hot number member only prediction boom number 13, number 27 and number 48. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction number. First number 7, number 18, number 23, number 36, number 43, booster number 8. UK 49's tea time prediction number. First number 4, number 16, number 28, number 34, number 49, booster number 42. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now. Good luck, see you soon next video. Bye bye.